Honestly speaking, I hate my boss. I'm sick and tired of working my ass for this thing. Like, I just can't wait to leave working with this thing. They're so annoying. Like, sometimes I wonder if I'm the one being overproductive or they're just being, you know, the ironic part of this thing is the fact that the person who is supposed to get the files for us is there wasting and laxing around while I, who is just collaborating with them, I'm working to ensure that this thing works well. Like, why are they so that he cannot reason that this thing is something that we're supposed to do and have it do in the next 3 days, and they don't even give a damn. Like, and to make matters worse, this my boss is like the most annoying person I ever met. Imagine him giving me a work and not telling me what I'm supposed to do, and then asking me the next day where the work is, and it's like, where is the thing I asked you to send to my email this morning? And I was like, sorry, you didn't give me anything to send to you this morning. And guess what? He actually gave me something, but he never told me what to do. So is that you giving someone something to do? To be honest with you, I really hate people who are not clear with their words and always assume you should know what you're supposed to do. Like, does that even make sense? You didn't tell me what to do and you expect me to know already what is in your mind to do. Like, good. Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Answer with a Video with Blessing Zephyrs.